So we're here working on Jennifer's 2015 Subaru Impreza. She needs her windshield wipers replaced because they're streaking on the windshield. We are going to be using Rain-X Latitudes, the 26-inch that goes driver.
And 16-inch passenger.
And one more.
My multi-fit rear, 12 inches.
So Jennifer or I have never changed the back, so this should be fun.
It's going to be interesting.
All right, Jen, let's start us off.
All right, so for the front ones, you can open them up. Super easy, because they stay up. It's amazing. Some cars don't. And they're just J-hooks on these ones. So you just clip on the back here, you just push it up, and push it forward. So lots of salt, so there's a lot of build-up things. Hopefully that one came off nicely. And this one's a little bit different. Has a bit of a clip in front. My gloves off should lift up. Always doesn't. Always does. So usually I have something to pry this open, and today I forgot that.
I got keys on me.
Oh, it works.
There you go.
So that opens up like that.
Is it still a J-hook?
Still a J-hook. And then clip is on the bottom right here. You just push that out towards the actual arm and then slide it up. And it comes right off.
So which one are we going to start with now, the passenger or driver?
I usually start with the driver's side just because I'm weird like that.
All right.
Bit of a ritual.
So Jennifer, what do you do for a living?
I work in automotive at Walmart.
This is why you know so much about your car.
Nah, wiper blades just usually my thing.
I can't change wiper blades to save my life.
No, you can't. But then again, last time I had help with wiper blades, I was sent with the actual guard, as I'll show you in a second. Slides right off.
Beautiful.
Right? Just like me. Alright, so grab the passenger one. Now these ones are already set up for the J-hook connection. If you need a different connector, they have a couple different ones in the package.
So those would be your adapters and stuff?
Yep. So there's one adapter, two adapters, and that's the one I need right there, already attached.
Okay.
So if you needed to switch it out, all you do is grab this and pull really hard.
Okay.
It's usually why I wear gloves. Because I tend to hurt myself on these a lot, even though it's really easy. I just have bad luck that way. So you will notice that when I pull it in, it clicks. And that's how you know it's on all the way. You just give it a little bit of a tug, doesn't go anywhere. It's good. Lay it flat carefully, because it is pulled out.
So now the fun part, we're going to go to the back.
All right. So the back one uses a Rock Lock 3. All right, so this one here is the lock you were looking for. The connector is inside. Now I have been warned, since I've never done this one, that the ones with the Rock Lock 3 tend to break. So I put my gloves on for that because it's always gotta be safe than sorry. Now it's just a matter of trying to figure out which connector is Rock Lock 3. Oh Lord.
So is your Subaru considered a hatchback, a wagon?
It's considered both.
Okay.
Depends where you look. So parts of it say hatchback, other parts say wagon.
Okay.
Alright, this is the fun part. I've never dealt with this before. And I'm pretty sure 3 of these locks are the exact same.
See, the good part is we're learning, and this way here people don't have to learn from our mistakes.
Let's take off the old one first. Let's figure out what's going on here. So this one looks, again, like it just pulls up. Maybe. Like I said, I was already pre-warned that this will probably break on me. So that happens to you, don't worry.
Because you are replacing it.
Yep.
What is the reason behind them just breaking? Just
It's just the way they fit in. It's really snug, apparently. It's hard to get them off the way you want them to get off. And it's caked in mud and road salt, which is making it so much harder. It's a fun time in Canada, I tell ya. Gotta love winter.
We do travel to Ottawa quite a bit. Gatineau, Belleville.
Oh, I didn't break anything. Look at that. I did it.
Good.
So, it looks like I need one that's more in the middle. I have a feeling it's probably that one. Be nice if they were labeled. It's one thing I did notice is they are not. Oh, wait, cap A. I have no idea. To the instructions.
Yep. All those fill, read the instructions.
Because that's always fun, right? It doesn't even tell you which one it is.
So is it pretty much just trial and error?
Oh, it's totally... Hold on. That one.
And which one is that one? Is there specific markings on it or anything?
There is nothing to identify them.
Okay.
Unfortunately, some wipers don't do that. But you will notice there is a clip in there to clip that into. So we're going to slide that in. And it just locks in. And then that doesn't work either. It's probably the wrong one. So in this case, I'm just going to pull this tab back up. And just give it a tug as I pull that tab back. That's why I'm wearing gloves, because it's a little bit tricky. And it just slides back out. So it's going to be a little bit of trial and error on this one, just till we figure out which one's which. That's too thin. Yeah. So judging by the actual circle here where it's going to lock into, I'm going to say this one here is going to be the right one. We're going to find it in a minute.
So the same process?
Same process, you're just going to slide it right into here where the clip is. That part I do get. Slide this down right into here. It's all grooved so it fits one way.
You hear the click.
And then we're going to slide that. See, this one fits a lot better. It actually is grooved out so it fits. And we're just going to try to push it up and in. And looks like we might have it.
Do you want to tug on it, make sure everything's good?
Nothing's moving, nothing's coming off.
Good job.
We have it.
And we are using this is a Rain-X Multitude, you said?
It's the Rain-X Multi-Fit.
Multi-Fit, right.
And it actually is made for rear wiper blades. And this is actually my first time changing any rear wiper blade.
Good job.
Thank you.
So now we both found out, all of us, to how to change the wipers on a 2015 Subaru Impreza. Anything to add, Jen?
Sometimes it is a little tricky. Gives your hands a little bit extra protection because I've cut myself more than once on the J-hooks, as easy as they are to change.
So there you go, there's your safety tip, wear gloves. Next video is going to be Friday at 8 a.m. That's when I usually post. So subscribe, like, and just leave a comment. All right, bye.